Okay, here we are. Bella Point. No, not Brunswick, Maine. No, not Colorado Springs, Colorado. No. This is Brunswick County, North Carolina. What's today, bud? January 22nd? Bud, what's today? January 22nd? 2025. Yeah, we got about an inch and a half of ice and an inch and a half of snow last night. It was lovely. Right now, I'd probably say it's around freezing, a little below freezing maybe, actually. Yep. And it must be the last phase. It's being built quite quickly. They started this past August, but now, due to the weather, obviously, construction has ceased. Yeah, but it's beautiful. Got a little Pennsylvania about it. I was kind of hoping to build a snowman, but this shit is all frozen. It's so frozen. So, but good time. We're gonna go stop over and see Gracie. We just saw Joe driving around in his truck. So we're gonna stop over and see Buddy's girlfriend.